Looking for a calendar this new year, but everything feels boring and generic? Well, I created my personalized calendar, and this is what it looks like. Didn't use any templates, nor did I design it on my own. All I did is type in a few words, and my calendar was ready. So, let me show you how you can do it too. We'll be using Google Gemini, but the key is giving it clear direction and asking it to use web search to create a calendar that feels intentional. So once you have signed in into your Google account, you can go ahead and jump straight into designing by telling Gemini what you want. So here's the prompt. I've started with a clear instruction that I want Gemini to search the web and compile all the holidays for this specific month, that is January in 2026, and this is the location that I want the holidays for. Next, I've mentioned what kind of calendar do I want, that is a square 1 by 1 calendar. Here comes our catch. We'll be adding a reference image that represents our brand. So I've instructed to use the visual style from our reference image but not actually include that in the output. Next, I have how it should fill the canvas, and these are a few instruction on structure of the calendar, how it should highlight the holidays, etc. And lastly, I've summarized it all and reminded it again that it should use the reference image for typography, spacing, coloring, etc. Now, all you have to do is get your brand image right into your prompt, click on this add files button, upload your brand image, and this is the one that I want. And all you have to do is wait for it to upload and then select the create images tool and go ahead and submit this. The image is generated, and here's our output, and you can see it is following our brand colors, visuals, and aesthetic. Simple, wasn't it? It didn't even take 2 minutes, and all I have to do is click on this download button and my calendar is ready. You can go ahead and similarly create a calendar for all the months, and you'll have a customized all your calendar personalized to your brand. So what are you waiting for? Go and design your calendars now.